to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video the Wing Chun Kung Fu tutorial. So I believe this is gonna be great combination with a short stick and Wing Chun Kung Fu. So everyone knows Wing Chun Kung Fu for close combi, 日字冲拳, and push palm, both sides, different directions. Also 踩手, which kick. That's very useful for close combi, but another weapon also very good for close combi. Introduce the wood stick. Wood stick is very convenient. You holding right the bottom part or middle part. You can spinning like flower, and they can attack by this part or come back this part. You can spinning them to attack straight punch or come back vertical. Let's start the lesson 1 of Wing Chun Kung Fu. First of all, you hold the short stick like this much space left for your hand, because you need spinning easier and have a good weight. You can attack by this part. Also, you can attack by this part and this part longer, because this also can be blocking, attack, blocking, attack for either way. Let's start position and put it behind you, flat and down, go to your waist and behind your arm. Alright, great. Let's start your feet work. 1 and 2, 二字前摇马, and your hand right here, and your left hand come back to middle and go 扶手 and come back 推掌 come back 日字冲拳. After that, your right hand twist coming out from the bottom part, go up and rotate flat and rotate your right side and from the top and go cross. Very good for blocking. So if someone grabbing you, you say the stuff from down to rid of this hand, right? And then come back in and cross. So you can attack by the high, right? So you go 1, 2, attack, cross. Again, 1 from down, rotate this part, go back your shoulder, relax your wrist, and here's the power. And come back in. So attack, boom. After the 日字冲拳, 1, come back, 2, 3, 4, 5, attack and down. And you step your right, you stop, come back your right shoulder straight, your left hand become 冲拳, 日字冲拳. Okay, great combination with this way. So someone grabbing you, so you get rid of the hand, and you go attack the face, cross down and come back, start with other punch. This is great work. And after that, you stop your left, you gotta using this part to attack the head or the eye. Let's follow me from beginning few times. First, to hold right here and go down and behind you. Perfect. Tension. So go 1, 2, and 3 right here. Perfect. So your hand go 1 扶手 and 推掌 and 冲拳. Your hand from back go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. After that, stop your left and you go attack by this part. So how to get this flower fast and with the attack? The hand coming from this way and quick go up, from down up. So your wrist relax and get that need that speed. If someone punch, get boom to attack and go over, quick change. and go, attack by this part, like let's say this. So normally the direction from there, so you say 1, that's the first move. So from here, you gotta relax, and you go, right? To blocking, and get this away, and continue. So how you can get this part quick? So this one, you say, slow motion, go this part, and relax your wrist. Your hand controlling, but actually your hand is really relaxed. So the only way you can get this rotate fast, and you don't need this too tight, which is powerful, and you're not worried about you losing it if you just keep training with that, right? So if you relax and you just get this back, and here is the power, because you got using this part and with that, boom, the last strike. So very important. So how you can to do this? So you need to repeating a lot of the time to make this better. So the first thing, relax. You say power right here. So here you cannot be loose. If you can either someone punch or kick, even they use a stick to attack you, you got boom right out. So your hand, you have to practice. So one thing at a time. So from here, you say, that's the power. You need to repeat just for this move and for many times to make it strong and faster. And go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. You do many, and also you can do necessary conditioning to help you wrist strong with this motion. Like you're holding some heavier, like everything you can hold in your hand and is heavier is better. I mean, you do slower with this motion and you over again, and then you get more power and speed like this. So this little motion will help your muscle work strong and quick. After this, you can have power and speed, and now we go the motion 2. So you go the right side and you go relax, and this one touch your shoulder almost, so go close to your shoulder and come back in, and from here you go attack and go down, cross your hand, right? So how to make this part quick? Okay, let's say motion 1, and after you go second, and you gotta go over, and you got to hitting that direction to your elbow right here. You go, but you must be relax your wrist and your fingers. You say, once you hit your shoulder, the elbow, I'm sorry. So once you go, you say, because your go from here to here, that automatically will be stretching your wrist and you give that speed. So once you relax, you give that motion and quick come back, you say, that speed, speed. That's the motion 2 to practice with that fast speed. 1, relax, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over again, and relax, and relax, and relax, and relax, relax, and get back and go, attack. Okay, the same thing you can practice with your staff, your stick, with speed training, or you can to find everything else just like what we're using for the heavy hop, or anything you can find in home, just slow rotate and come back, slow rotate, come back, right? So the more training, the more better. So the 3 motion, you say 1 and 2 and boom, 3, cross. So you gotta be break them down, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So practice repeatedly and to get better with this part. Alright, great work. So let's do one last time with me for the lesson 1 of Wing Chun Kung Fu. Get this down, twist behind you. Right, so get ready. So you go 1, 2 and 3, and got a middle 1, power and pound and go fist, and 1, remember, and 2 and 3 and 4, that's great, and 5 and 6, perfect, and 8, stop, and 9. So this one, really strong to attack. whatever place. Great work, and I'm really happy to teach you. I so enjoy for this lesson, and I will see you in lesson 2 of Wing Chun. I love you all, and bye bye. I see you in next video.